Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply filters to your selfies on the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, select the picture that you want to edit. Slide to the right side of the screen until you find the filters section. Click on it, and here you can find a bunch of filters. As you slide to the right side of the screen, you have categories down below such as all, natural, classic, warm, vintage, fade, cold, contrast, and so on. So within each of these categories you can find the relevant features that you can apply by simply clicking on the filter, and you can adjust it using the slide in the middle of the screen. If you want to check out the difference between the original and the filtered picture, click on the contrast button on the right side of the screen down below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.